How to block ads in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to block ads in Google Chrome. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, open the Google Chrome browser. And then type Chrome Store. Then select extension, which is shown on your system screen. Now, in Search Extensions and Themes search Ad Blocker. Then select Ad Block. Click on Add to Chrome. Now your Ad Blocker extension is added to your Google Chrome browser. Now open the Extensions tab. Then here find the Ad Blocker extension, and tap on the pin. Now, you have the Block Ads button in your Google Chrome browser. This is the easiest method to block ads in Google Chrome. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.